Hi guys, so just a quick message. Some of you have probably already noticed that I've been a little light on the tutorials lately. I've been kind of interspersing the craft and cosplay tutorials, and so this is just a quick message to say I'm probably going to be doing that for the rest of 2019. I have just like a ton on my plate this year, and we're going into farm market season now, so that makes me really busy. And I've been in the middle of this huge remodeling type project, which yes is the reason for all the lamp videos you've been seeing, because that's part of it. And so I'm really trying to get that done. So for the rest of 2019 I'll probably just be posting on Thursdays unless I end up with some extra spare time, and post on the Mondays too. But so I'll just be posting on Thursdays, and I'll be alternating the cosplay and craft tutorials, and I might even throw in a few like cosplay vlogs every now and then, just to give myself a little more time because my schedule is so stretched right now. And a few people suggested if I didn't have time to do tutorial to do vlogs, so I might do a few basic like general cosplay vlogs in between the craft and cosplay tutorials. And most of the craft tutorials are kind of part of my remodel project, which I will show you guys when I'm done with it, but that's like a few months away I think, which is why I'm slowing down my schedule now. And part of that's going to be making myself a organized place where I can create all of my stuff, because right now everything is just so disorganized, and it's always so hard to find anything I need when I'm doing a tutorial. I had one recently where I needed my finger lights and I couldn't even find what I'd done with them. So that's part of the remodel, is actually getting things all organized and in place and giving myself a spot to craft and create costumes that is not the corner of my bedroom. So working on getting that all organized, and I was gonna try to keep doing the normal schedule, but I just know that I can't going into farm market season, and I have a terrible tendency to push myself to the breaking point. And I just decided I really didn't want to do that this year, because then it saps my energy and I'm just like dead for a couple of weeks while I recover, and then it's taking away all the time from my project that I'd like to be doing. So yeah, just gonna do once a week for the rest of the year, and alternating the cosplay and the crafts, because the crafts I'm gonna be doing anyway for my remodel project. So yeah, alternating those, and I will keep doing some cosplay as well, but just kind of alternating, and maybe a vlog here and there in between if I don't have time to do an actual project that week. So that's what's going on for the rest of 2019, but presumably by 2020 I will be all set and organized and ready to go back to a normal schedule. But I will see you this Thursday with the other half of the Wolverine tutorial, and it will be modeled by my brother because he is a much better Wolverine than I am.